Today we are going to have a look at my toy guns. This is my first video. Yeah, I'm not even going to tell you. Anyway, right, one of them's kind of a bit broken, so yeah, this is the broken one. Yeah, it's a shotgun. I've been playing on my Xbox, so yeah. Anyway, here's the shotgun. Yeah, it's quite hard. Anyway. It's quite hard. You can hold this, then it just goes up. Next one I'm gonna view you. I kind of won. No, this one. I brought it. It's quite good. It's really realistic. If I can actually get it off. It's a Magnum. No, wait, was it? It's a cool Smith & Wesson. I meant Smith & Wesson. I didn't mean Magnum. Well, they're kind of the same thing. There's a little black bit where my finger is. You see that? Right there. Pull that back. This goes back. This bit that spins around, you can take it out. And then we have got this one. I won the contest. It's kind of a bit broken. Really broken. Here's a little Desert Eagle. If you look here, it does say Desert Eagle. You probably won't be able to see it. But right there. Desert Eagle. Yeah, and then I'm uploading this on my iPod actually. Then we've got another pistol. Blue. Is there any others? So yeah. And then we have my kind of broken TD 2008. Wait, don't do that. This is gonna be hard. To show you this, it's quite hard, so I'll just put it down here. You see? You can't see this, can you? See? Yeah, we've got the TD 2008. A lot of people have this. Does have batteries. Oh wait. Sometimes does this.
I'll put it in your bed in a minute.
This is really good. That's not working. Sometimes it only works when it's under. Wait. This is really hard. This bit. I think it will work now. Nope. Definitely run out of batteries. Don't think I have any others. No, none others. I'm getting quite a lot for Christmas, so see ya! Also, hi, PewDiePie.